Absolutely right, Aisha. Aisha, you used the exact right word. You said that MRF is an extremely costly stock. But when it comes to the equity market, what we're worried about is more than the cost. And clearly, as you can see with MRF, we are worried about whether the stock is actually expensive. And the best way to find out whether a stock is expensive or not is to compare it with its peers on a valuation front. So now we've just done a basic comparison as far as MRF is concerned with its peers. So if you look on a trailing 12-month basis, MRF is trading at 16.5 times its trailing 12-month basis, while its peers like a Balkrishna and Balkrishna is trading much higher, almost 18.9 times its trailing 12-month basis, and CRT is slightly low, around 13.5 times. So just on the basis of valuation, MRF has the scope to actually go ahead and move higher. But of course, if you are talking about MRF, one thing which we want to highlight is the fact that whenever you talk about equity markets, it's about the the power of compounding and how much your money can grow. MRF in the last 15 years has grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 35%, which basically means like if you had held MRF for the last 15 years, every year your money has grown 35% on a compound rate. Now at the same time, Nifty itself, which is not very bad, has done a CAGR of almost 15.4%. So again, if you're looking at it, extremely strong, compounded annual growth rate which you're seeing, and clearly MRF is, it's been on a tear, so to speak. Some of the factors for the company's tremendous rise has been the fact that one thing, the company has never had a stock split or has never given a bonus. In fact, if you're looking at it, some of the other factors, rubber prices which are at a high, they have cooled off. Some of the analyst notes are saying that the companies have taken a price hike which will go ahead and improve the margins further. Also, today there is a very big trigger. There could be an anti-dumping duty on tires from China. Of course, it's not yet confirmed. The meeting is today, and that will be another major trigger for all tire companies, including MRF. Also, if we're talking about MRF, it is present across all segments of tire space. So clearly, it's hedging its bets against any kind of a downturn. Also, CLSA, as you rightly mentioned, they say that there is a significant potential of re-rating as far as tire companies are concerned, because they feel that this commodity space does deserve slightly higher value, slightly higher multiples. So definitely one of the stocks of the Indian stock market which has done extremely well of itself is MRF.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.